how to add users on HubSpot quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to add users on HubSpot. So let's get started. First, you will log into your HubSpot.com and this is where you will get. On HubSpot, we have different options available and then we have our account. So you have to select right here and click on your profile and preferences. It will take you to the settings of HubSpot. And here you can see we have settings, then account setup. In account setup, we have users and teams. Select this option. It will show you the current users that you have. And if you want to create a new user, you will click right here. Enter their email address. If you want to add more than one users, you can enter their email address too. Click on next. And this is a new user that we have. We can give them some permissions for CRM, marketing, sales, services, reports, and account. So you can see permissions. Select this option, click on next, and an invitation will be sent to them. So you can see right here, these are all the permissions that we gave them. Click on send, and you can see creating a user. You can also share the link with them. This is going to be their unique link, and they will be able to join your HubSpot. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.